Hello, 1212. So, to get Spotify to text working, first of all, you're going to need to download Tesseract OCR. So, for Windows, I've got a link right over here to download it, and we are going to download the most recent version. There we go. 47.6 megabytes, and I'm going to open that. Yes. There we go. We're just waiting for the install. English. Now I've already got it installed, so yeah, it's just gonna uninstall it real quick. So next, I agree. Install for anyone using this computer. Select components to install. Just leave it default. That's good. Now this you want to copy this. Make sure you remember the installation location. So that's done. Next, and there we go. Finish. That's done. It's now installed. Now what you want to do is go to the latest release. And so here you have the source and stt.zip. We want to download stt.zip. This is a 120 megabyte file, so it might take a while for some of you. But once it's downloaded, I'm gonna open it, sorry. And here we see the exe and the config. So I'm just going to drag this onto my desktop. Quick, gonna take a while. There we go. And I'm gonna open it. And there we go. So now what you want to do is you want to first open your config, and here is where you'll need to put the installation location. So I had it copied, so I'm gonna paste it right here. And very importantly, you want to make sure that you replace these single backslashes like this by a double backslash. There we go. And then at the end, you want to do another two backslashes and write tesseract.exe and save it. Control S. And this is all fine. And so we can close it and open stt.exe. Run. I am sure I want to run it. Gonna take a while a bit. There we go. It's now open. And so now you have to define the boxes for Spotify. So I'm gonna open up Spotify right here. And what we want is this right over here. So I'm gonna go over here and I want like a box from here to like over here for the title. So I'm gonna start out here, and you can see here my current mouse position. Yeah, so I'm going from up here, which is 2142.506. Oh, well, let's put it 500. 2140, 500. So 2140, 500, all the way to here where the title would go to if it was bigger, which is at 2480 and let's say 540. 2480, 540. So it's gonna be, what did I say? 2540 and 580, I think I said. Let's go back and check. No, 2480 and whoop, sorry. 2480 and what did I say? 580. No, 2480, 540. There we go. So I'm gonna change that. There we go. And this was 21. Yep. So 2440 and 540. And then for the artist coordinates, it's basically the same thing. You go up here where they start, 2140, 545. 2140, 545. What you want to do is set out the coordinates for the box, the top left and the bottom right for the box. So now the ending, it's over here. Let's say 2490 and 570. 2490 and 570. Now you don't want to do all of this each time that you load up the amp. So I'm just going to quickly save this to config. Yes, great. And so now it's saved. If I open the config back up, you're going to see the coordinates are saved. And so let's open up Spotify. And this is basically ready to go. So I'm gonna turn on debug. Now debug, it's gonna show the images that it's taking. So if I press apply, it should work. And this is what it shows before and after the text and in between. So in this case, it would be I'm listening to things you can do, dash, Deltron 3030, Del the Funky Homo Sapien, comma, and it's a good song. So that's the prefix, suffix, and linker. It's just what's between the title and the artist. So I'm gonna debug, which is basically just saving the box as an image file, saving the output to a log file, and saving the output to our clipboard. So when I press apply, I take a while, and boom, output. I'm listening to Things You Can Do, Del the Funky Homo Sapien, Dan the Automat, and it's a good song. Hell yeah. I'm just gonna press apply again. There we go. Now some text got cut off there, so that's not great. But what you can do now is, since we enabled debug, is look at the images. So this would be the title, which we can see this box from here to here, basically. And the other image, image 2, is the artist. So yeah, you can see that it got cut off there. But if I open up the log, you can see, ooh, look at that. It worked well. And if I open up a new notepad, there we go. It is saved to my clipboard. I'm just going to delete that real quick. There we go. And so yeah, don't save. That's how you use Spotify to text. Let's save all of this to config.